Congratulations on the latest addition to your collection. Looks amazing. Is it brand new?
Believe it or not, it's 30 years old.
No way. Are you kidding me? I like the interior design. It looks so fresh and, well, modern.
Well, thank you.
Now, how's it holding up? I bet it's a bit temperamental.
You'd be surprised. The motor, the brakes, the gears, the doors, and all the electric parts, everything is in top shape. I even installed a fancy media screen for the passengers. Not to mention energy consumption. It's as low as it can be.
Unbelievable. Must be a great ride.
It's so smooth. And the best part? The built-in sensors detect any issues and notify technicians automatically. I don't have to do a thing.
Sounds too good to be true. Tell me, what's your secret?
I have one tip for you. Modernization with Schindler. They have tailored solutions for any building and wallet.
Thanks. I'll call him right away.